Uh-oh, an emergency in Safe City! Super Rescue Patrol, time to roll! Let's zoom! Hi, we're the Gas Safety Heroes. We'll teach you how to stay safe
and escape danger.
Beep, let's learn! Wow, this backyard is awesome! Let's play, Pip! Welcome to our Funny Tear cartoon for kids adventure!
Yeah, Beep, let's play catch.
I got it! This is fun! I brought yummy pancakes, little ones. Play safe. Kid safety rules are very important.
I'm gonna swing super high.
Beep, wait, don't go too fast.
Whee! This is awesome!
Careful up there.
Higher! Beep, get go!
Whoa, it's too fast. Oh no, hold on tight, Beep. Careful.
I want to see the birdhouse.
No climbing high, you might slip.
But I want to see it.
I'll help you. Use this step stool.
Wow, thank you, Pip. Safety first.
Gotcha. Let's put soft guards on these hard edges. Much better now.
Yay, safe now. Phew, good job.
Boat time! No, Beep! Don't go near the deep pool alone. It's slippery! Oh no! Beep, don't slip!
Don't worry, Dr. Hazel is here. I'll secure the pool cover. Now it's perfectly safe. Hey!
No throwing heavy toys towards the house!
Oops, I am so sorry.
I am so sorry. It's okay, Bip. Just be careful next time.
I will be.
This open space is perfect for playing. Good job, team. Time for snacks. These pancakes are the best.
Yeah, and the juice is great too. I love picnics. Nutritional values optimal.
Cheers to a safe playtime.
Cheers!
Ranger Brody's safety tips. Always play in open spaces and ask an adult before climbing. This is outrageous. Who's making that racket?
So loud!
I would have worked in the morning. Quiet down.
Whew, this is so we can't take it anymore.
Chief Blaze, the noise is too loud. Everyone is awake. We need to find the source. I know. The racket is deafening. Let's move.
It's coming from the attic.
My sound meter is going crazy. The noise is coming from that upstairs room. Careful, Officer Dash. The whole house is shaking from the beat. I hear it, Chief. Let's go. Pip, please stop the drumming. Oh, hello, Officer Dash. Was I too loud?
Sorry, officer. I was just having fun.
The neighbors complained. Keep it down. It's nighttime, Pip. Everyone needs rest. You shouldn't make loud noises now. I'm sorry I woke you up, Dr. Hazel.
These flowers are beautiful, Pip.
Apology accepted. Daytime is the best time for music. Soft music makes everyone happy. Chief Blaze's rule: never play loud music at night. Respect your neighbors so everyone can sleep well.
This mac and cheese smells so good. Almost ready for dinner time. Dinner is served. Wait, my sensors detect a strange smell. It's not cheese.
Not cheese? What is it?
Let's find out. I feel so dizzy. My head is spinning.
Me too. Something is wrong.
Phew! That is an awful smell. It's an emergency. I must call Chief Blaze. Officers, thank goodness you're here. It's freezing out. What is happening, Ranger Brody? I smell something very bad. It's a gas leak. A gas leak? We need to evacuate the area. Right away. The detector says it's gas. Everyone, stay back. Put on masks and let's go inside. Found them! The gas stove is still on! We need to get them fresh air, fast! Hang in there, Dr. Hazel! I'm getting you out! Fresh air is coming! Gas valve off. Opening windows for ventilation. Do not touch any electric switches! You are safe now! Take deep breaths of fresh air. Everything is going to be fine. That's it, buddy. Just breathe. Cheers to your recovery, everyone!
Thank you, officers. I must have forgotten to turn the stove off properly.
We're just glad you're all okay.
To good health and friendship.
Chief Blaze Safety Talk. If you smell a strange gas, do not turn on lights. Open windows and go outside quickly.
Did you learn our safety rules? Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun!